someone's saying, but aren't essential oils flammable? And yes, they absolutely are flammable.
Yeah, this is your new sparkler. Hello there and welcome. We're going to be talking about perfume sticks.
Punk sticks are very interesting. You can get different kinds, but this is my favorite because it's coated in some natural ingredients, the joss and the maca powder, and they're put on these little bamboo sticks, and then they're ready to put whatever you want on them. When you let them rest and dry completely, and it takes about 48 hours, that's how long I would wait before I would burn them, not just to dry, but to make sure that they're not going to cause an issue when you light them.
Meaning catch on fire.
That's right. Becoming sparklers.
Becoming sparklers.
We're using Siberian fir, cypress, and cedarwood atlas. The goal is to drop your essential oil so you get 20 even drops. If you're going to do 5 of them, it's 20 drops per punk. Per punk. What a word. And so I made 100 drops here. So 20 times 5 is 100 drops. So I put my blend in here.
Yes.
I put my 40 drops of Siberian fir, 30 drops of cypress, and 30 drops of cedarwood atlas. 1, 2, you want to get even drops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I see 10, I should have half of the drops there. All right, and then as you do it, you become a little bit faster at it too. See how it spreads though? You don't need to put them just side by side. And then you just go, wipe it around.
Yes.
Put them in a little glass container, a little glass jar, and put them somewhere to dry.
Yeah.
Wherever you put them, it's going to smell amazing. It's okay that these are exposed to the air because remember, we're drying out the volatile oils that might cause a sparkler situation.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, we are.
So that's what you do. I'm going to put them back in here and let them sit in here while they absorb up any of that essential oil that fell in the bottom. And you can see how saturated these are just from the 20 drops. Now let's burn one.
Let's burn one. I like that idea.
Just light it. Ooh. And it burns away. I let it burn for just 20 seconds or so I know it's really taking, and then I just kind of blow it out gently. When I'm done burning this, if I don't want it to burn all the way, I just take it and I just put it out. Okay, I just go like this to put it out. And then you want to make sure that it's not close to something that might catch fire, because maybe you haven't put it out quite good enough, and while you're gone, it's going to start up again. So just be safe with them, and they're fun.
Yes, I love that.